you do, you're going to look down at your left shoe or your left sandal, You're going to notice it's the cutest little puppy dog you've ever seen in your entire life. Little fuzzy 2-week-old puppy dog, cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, eyes open, everybody. Well, take it off. Hey, what a cutie. What a cutie. What a cutie. Take him off the head. And look at that, he's licking you. Kisses, puppy kisses, kiss him back, kiss him back. What a cutie. Why did you tell me it wasn't potty training? It's just sitting pooped right on your lap. Oh, nasty. Forget about it. Put it back on. It's no big deal. Put it back on.
That really hurt. Or Zach, you just hit your head.
Nice round of applause for the stars of the show, everybody. Woo! Give it up for them, everybody.
I erased some of the footage, guys, sorry.
Your eyes, you're going to look out at the audience, you're going to notice something you just haven't noticed before. The cutest little farm and zoo animals. So I'm talking little baby zebras, giraffe, chimpanzees, rhinoceroses, hippopotamuses, ducks, anything and everything you find on the farm or in a zoo. You're going to carefully go out and pick out your favorite one. Just stand there, give them a big hug and a squeeze, show them some love, pet them. You might even want to give them a kiss right there on the head. Just show them some love. Cutest little farm and zoo animals, you go pick out your favorite one. No need to bring them up on stage, you just stand there and let them sit and pet them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, eyes open, everybody.
Okay, fix your top.
Go pick out your favorite ones. Look at that. Look at that. Look at your favorite ones.
Where's she going?
That's right, right there, right there. What do you got there? What do you got?
Where's she?
It's a rock.
Oh, did she go on?
What is it? Giraffe. It's a giraffe. Go put your giraffe back. Go put your giraffe back. Go look at it. Good. What? Hey. Hey. What do you got there? Zebra. What do you got there? Zebra. It's a zebra. It's so cute. Hey, what do you got there? Alright, come on back, come on back. Give your animal a big hug and squeeze. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Your chair's calling you. Your chair's calling you. Go ahead, have a seat back on stage.
He put his hand on, I was like, I guess he gave me